Everybody's looking for a used camper right now. Well, this one's freaking great. It's got a backup camera, spare cargo convenience light, single slide out, seamless windows. Sucker looks good. Rear bunk access, outdoor speaker system, TV mount, and a little outdoor kitchen. It's just a fridge, but isn't that what you need? It's a black label, y'all. 17 JG Black Label 2021 Wolf Pup Black Label. This little bed, got some overhead lighting, storage. Lots of storage up there. More storage up here. Microwave. 2 burners. Sink. Under sink storage. 2 bunks. Well lit. Window up top. Door in the bottom. Storage underneath. Can access the storage from the door. Nice big fridge for this size unit. If you look up, speaker there, speaker there, one more there. That's Big Daddy. Go back here. See the bathroom, little pedal flush toilet, and a simple shower, built-in sink. Nice fan right there. All told, really nice unit. Full dinette. Everybody likes to see that. Everybody likes big dinette. Pull it down, make a bed. Take the table out, you got yourself a couch. You don't need much more in a camper this size. Again, this is a 2021 Wolf Pup 17 JGBL. It's a black label. It's available for $18,999. It's a fantastic deal. It's even got most of the stickers still on it. Look. See that sticker there? And that's for the juice pack. It's got a solar panel on it, so it'll keep your fridge cold for about 12 hours. Run your lights and slides. It's good stuff. Check it out. Give me a call if you want to see it sometime. Love to help you out.